On the global learning platform, discover the product English tenses and gain remarkable skills in using the grammatical tenses of the English language. Whether it's the simple present, present continuous, present perfect, or other tenses, you learn how to use them correctly and appropriately in both business and everyday contexts. You may recall studying English tenses in school, but now you find them confusing and feel the need to review them to ensure you speak and write correctly in various documents or texts. With the help of the English tenses product, you'll become confident in expressing yourself in English, both in the workplace and in conversations with native speakers. Don't miss out on opportunities due to fears of understanding and using grammatical tenses. Choose English tenses on the global learning platform and turn learning the grammatical tenses of the English language into a successful experience. Learn quickly, efficiently, and confidently to achieve your personal and professional goals.